So in this video, I'm going to explain how you are able to run Glow from your own domain name. This is one of the most popularly used features of our app. And what it helps really is with the clients being assured that it is always you, your company, your team that are providing the support and maintenance service to them. Obviously, if they were to log in or receive a report or something like that, and it had Glow's branding all over it, it might make them feel a little bit confused. So part of our white label feature is the ability to run the app entirely from your domain name. There's another video on our knowledge base about how you can customize the look and feel of Glow to your business as well. So you can update the logo, the color scheme, those sorts of things as well, to really make it look like effectively your own WordPress maintenance product. So as you can see, I'm logged into the dashboard of my account. I'm going to start by clicking on the settings and billing option from the menu here in the bottom left corner. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. It's going to tell me some information about the plan that I'm currently on. But what I want to do is click on this white label option here first. So I'll click that. As you can see, the tab that opens by default is the branding tab. And as I mentioned a few seconds ago, this is where you're able to upload your logo and color scheme and that sort of stuff. But today we're focusing on how to run Glow from your domain name. So to do that, we're going to click on the DNS Records tab here. As you can see, the content of the screen changes, and you've got a few boxes to fill in. So first of all, it's asking you, which domain name do you want to run Glow from? Now, this is likely probably to be your own website, the URL that you use for your main website. So in my fictitious company that I've created, I'm going to type in the domain name at the top. As you can see, that's now populated these options lower down the screen as well. And what it's asking us here in the next question is, well, what subdomain do we want to run it off? Because obviously, it's very likely that the www would be your actual website. But for your WordPress management app, perhaps it's going to be something like app. And as you can see, it's already got the .people at the center on the right-hand side here. And then the last question is for email notifications. So Glow will send out email notifications to your clients periodically. For example, when they raise a support ticket, they'll get an email from you to confirm that you've received it, various other things. And obviously you want to make sure that those emails also have come from you, not from Glow. So you can set the mailbox here. You don't have to create a new mailbox with your hosting provider or anything like that. It's just setting the name of it here. So I'm going to go for app again in this box, and then I'm going to click the next button. And what Glow has done there is generate a number of DNS records that you now need to go over to your hosting provider to add. There's about 6 records in total, some TXT and CNAME records. And once they have propagated, this status here in your account will switch to connected. And at that point, you will then be able to log in to the URL that you provided in the previous step. So in this example, you would be able to log in, as would your clients, to app.peopleatthecenter.co.uk. So here's what that looks like once you've added those DNS records and they've propagated. As you can see at the top here in the URL bar, it now says app.peopleatthecenter.co.uk. I also went ahead and just changed the color scheme a little as well. So I added our fictional logo and color scheme as well. So as you can see, very much the same app. It's still Glow, but it's now completely personalized to our agency running from our own URL.